Kefir is a fermented drink traditionally made using cow's milk or goat's milk. It is made by adding kefir grains to milk. These are not grains in the conventional sense, but cultures of yeast and lactic acid bacteria that resemble a cauliflower in appearance. Dairy-free versions of kefir can be made with coconut water, coconut milk, or other sweet liquids. These will not have the same nutrient profile as dairy-based kefir. Here are 6 amazing benefits your body receives when you include kefir in your diet. 1. Kefir is a more powerful probiotic than yogurt. Some microorganisms have beneficial effects on health when ingested. Known as probiotics, these microorganisms can influence health in numerous ways, including digestion, weight management, and mental health. Yogurt is the best-known probiotic food in the Western diet, but kefir is actually a much more potent source. Kefir grains contain about 30 strains of bacteria and yeasts, making it a very rich and diverse probiotic source. 2. Kefir can improve bone health and lower the risk of osteoporosis. Osteoporosis, porous bones, is characterized by deterioration of bone tissue and is a massive problem in Western countries. Ensuring an adequate calcium intake is one of the most effective ways to improve bone health and slow progression of osteoporosis. Kefir made from full-fat dairy is not only a great source of calcium, but also vitamin K2. This nutrient plays a central role in calcium metabolism, and supplementing with it has been shown to reduce the risk of fractures by as much as 81%. 3. Kefir may be protective against cancer. Cancer is one of the world's leading causes of death. It occurs when there is an uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells in the body, such as a tumor. The probiotics in kefir are believed to inhibit tumor growth by reducing formation of carcinogenic compounds, as well as by stimulating the immune system. 4. Help with various digestive problems. Probiotics such as kefir can help restore the balance of friendly bacteria in the gut. This is why they are highly effective for many forms of diarrhea. There is also a lot of evidence that probiotics and probiotic foods can help with all sorts of digestive problems. This includes irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, ulcers caused by H. pylori infection, and various others. 5. Kefir has potent antibacterial properties. Certain probiotics in kefir are believed to protect against infections. This includes the probiotic Lactobacillus kefiri, which is unique to kefir. Studies show that this probiotic can inhibit the growth of various harmful bacteria, including Salmonella, Helicobacter pylori, and E. coli. 6. Well tolerated by people who are lactose intolerant. Regular dairy foods contain a natural sugar called lactose. Many people, especially adults, are unable to break down and digest lactose properly. This condition is called lactose intolerance. The lactic acid bacteria in fermented dairy foods, like kefir and yogurt, turn the lactose into lactic acid, so these foods are much lower in lactose than milk. They also contain enzymes that help break down the lactose even further.